Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Chidima of Nolan Beauty Empire. You're highly welcome. And for you, my old subscribers, thank you for coming back. I know it's been a while, guys. So, guys, on today's video, I want to show you how I transform this Brazilian wool into soft look. This is what the wool feels like and looks like out from the box. It comes in 3 rows like this in a pack, and it feels more like attachment more than the normal Brazilian wool. This wool is called Brazilian wool attachment. So I'm going to detangle the hair comb bit to make it soft and detangle. Then I'll use this straw. This is the normal straw, the soft straw. Can see it's so soft. The normal straw, I want to show that you can use anything to wrap this, roll this head, and this is the amount I'm going to take. So I'm going to quickly show you how I formed coils using this Brazilian wool. This particular one retains coil. Yeah, it retains coils more than the normal one. And this one feels like I say it feels like the braiding hair attachment, but this one is thicker than the braiding hair attachment. But I think they are similar in texture also, but different. So this is how I am rolling the wool on the straw to form coils. So just take a very good look at what I'm doing. I don't think I'm going to repeat this step again. Just want to show you what and how I form the coils using just straw. You can use anything to form this coil. You can use anything that's slim like this straw. You can use the costly ones or sticks, broomsticks if you cannot find straw. You can just anything you can use to form the coils to start with.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface.
And after coiling wrapping the wool on the straw, I'll go ahead and dip the wool in hot water. This particular wool, like I say, it retains coils more than the normal Brazilian wool. So this is what it looks like after coiling it on the rolling it on the straw. Then I'll go ahead and put it in hot water. After putting them in hot water, this is not all the wool I did. This is the first batch. After putting them in hot water, I'm going to show you what the coils look like. So I'm going to just show you what the so you feel how tight and clean the coils from this will look like. This is me unwrapping it from the straw. As you can see that the coils are very tight and it retains coil. You guys are going to see the coils as I'm making the soft locks.
It's easier to hide and just to lay low.
So this is the coil. This is what the coils look like. And before I make this soft lock, I first use the coils to create one particular hairstyle, crochet hairstyle. So after carrying the hairstyle for a while, I loosened it carefully because I want to use it to do soft lock. Which I'm going to show you the hairstyle I made with this wool before coming to make the soft lock with the used wool. Yeah, this is what the coils, these are what the coils look like. See how tight, how good the coils are. Egyptian coils more than the normal one, like I said. So this is the hairstyle I did with this wool. After the hairstyle, I loosened it, and this is what it looks like after I use it for that hairstyle. This is what it will look like. So I'm going to use it to, and I don't like to waste. I'm going to use this to create soft lock. So let's start. So to create a soft lock, I'm going to, this is the coil. This is what the wool looks like. I'm going to cut the tips so that it will make separation of these coils easy and tangle free. As you can see, it separates so easily. So after separating the coils, losing the coils more, it will feel like kinky coils. I think, yeah, kinky, the normal kinky you buy in the market. After separating, this is what it looks like. As you can see clearly from the screen.
I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls, cause I'm not in the mood. But then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all, if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the
You see that the coils are still intact after the separation. It still feels so good like the normal kinky. So to start with, as you can see, I've already done some. I've just started the soft lock, but let me show you how to do the soft. I'm using this particular, the normal Brazilian wool, the normal one. I'm going to use it as the anchor hair or the base, yeah, to wrap the wool. So I'm going to form a loop like I'm showing you. I tied some wool from my on my tripod stand. As you can see, that's my tripod stand I use as a hold for the wool. I'm going to wrap it, twist it this way to form a loop, tie it to form a loop, like I'm showing you. After forming the loop, because that's the loop you use to attach the soft lock on your hair. After forming the loop, like I'm showing you, I formed the loop. Make sure that the loop is adjustable. I'm showing you, and it is not closed. It's adjustable. I can see I'm putting my finger to show you that I can put my finger and it will still remain like that. Then I will use my crochet to attach or to, yeah, to put in the coiled wool through the loop first. Then I start wrapping. I put in a way that one end is shorter than the other, but I use the shorter and the shorter part to start wrapping. I make sure, being careful not to close the loop. I start wrapping with the shorter hair anti-clockwise. After wrapping, I separate the shorter hair into two, divide it into two, then wrap, use the smaller portion to wrap upwards and down. After that, then I continue with the longer length. I continue wrapping with the longer length in clockwise motion or moment. Yeah. As you can see that I'm wrapping it loosely, just wrapping. I'm not wrapping it tightly on the anchor hair, which is the normal wool. You can still use this coiled coily wool to wrap if you have enough of it, because I don't have enough of the coily wool. That's why I'm using this stretch wool. I'm using a stretch anything to as your base or the anchor hair. I'm going to wrap. After wrapping, I'm showing you what I'm doing is so self-explanatory. Just after wrapping, whatever that is left at the end, the little portion, once I get to the length I want, I will divide the hair into two. The left, whatever that is left, I divide it into two and start wrapping it upwards. Once I finish the hair, I come back and take the remaining small portion I left behind. I also start wrapping it upwards.
It's lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood. But then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying.
Then I rub it. After doing the wrapping, I rubbed it together with my palms, between my palms, and this is what it looks like. See how soft, it's flexible, it's not stiff. This is what they look like. See how flexible the locks look like. You can as well make these things for sale. I'm going to use it for my hair. I don't know yet if I'll use it for wood, rain wig, or I'll do it directly on my head. I've not concluded yet. Just want to show you how to make for soft locks using Brazilian wool. And after this, I'll go off camera to do the rest. I made um 20 locks for now. So my budget is to make 60 logs. I've made 20 logs, which I want to show you. I want to make 20 logs for each packet, or I don't know. And this is what it looks like. You can see how soft and flexible they look. So guys, thank you for watching. If you watched this to this moment, and don't forget to like, share, comment what you think, and please subscribe if you have not subscribed. Thank you once again, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Bye bye.
It's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no. I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you.